Hello, word listeners. Welcome back to another episode. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me as we delve into the fascinating world of vocabulary. Today, we're going to explore the word characterize, a C1 level verb meaning to describe the features or qualities of someone or something. So, what does it really mean to characterize something? Well, it means to describe its essential qualities or features in a way that makes it recognizable. Think of it like painting a verbal picture, highlighting the most important aspects. It's about identifying what makes something unique or typical. We often use characterize to talk about people, places, objects, or even abstract ideas. Let's explore some synonyms that share a similar meaning. Some words that are close to characterize include define, describe, and portray. Each of these words offers a slightly different nuance, but they all revolve around the idea of presenting the features of something. For example, instead of saying his generosity characterizes him, you could say his generosity defines him. Or, the artist's style is characterized by bold colors could become the artist's style is described by bold colors, or the artist's style is portrayed by bold colors. Notice how each word captures the essence of a sentence while slightly shifting the emphasis. Now, let's look at antonyms, words with opposite meanings. It's a bit tricky to find a direct opposite of characterize, but words like misrepresent, distort, and obscure can convey a contrasting idea. Misrepresent means to give a false or misleading account of something. So, if you characterize someone as honest, the opposite would be to misrepresent them as dishonest. Distort means to twist or change something so that it is no longer accurate. If you characterize a situation as calm, to distort it would be to exaggerate its chaos. And obscure means to make something unclear or difficult to understand. So, if you characterize a theory as simple, to obscure it would be to make it complicated and confusing. Now, let's explore how we can use characterize in everyday life. You might say, the movie is characterized by its witty dialogue and stunning visuals. This means those elements are prominent and memorable aspects of the film. Or, her leadership style is characterized by collaboration and empathy, highlighting her key leadership traits. Consider this example in a common expression. The period was characterized by rapid technological advancements. This sentence indicates that rapid technological advancements were a defining feature of that time. Here are a few more usage examples. I would characterize his behavior as inappropriate given the circumstances. What qualities would you use to characterize a successful entrepreneur? The author characterizes the protagonist as a flawed but ultimately redeemable figure. The economic downturn was characterized by high unemployment and low consumer spending. Scientists are working to characterize the properties of the new material. Now that we've covered the definition, synonyms, antonyms, and usage examples of characterize, let's recap. Characterize means to describe the essential qualities of something. Synonyms include define, describe, and portray. Antonyms include misrepresent, distort, and obscure. We use characterize to highlight the defining features of people, places, things, and ideas. It's a powerful word for painting vivid descriptions and making your communication more precise. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this episode helpful. Remember to subscribe to the podcast so you don't miss any future word explorations. And if you enjoyed this episode, please leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show and expand their vocabulary too. As a final challenge, try to create your own sentence using the word characterize and share it in the comments below. I'm eager to see how you use this new word in your own creative way. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring the wonderful world of words.